Hi guys, we're here in a very Christmassy Covent Garden and we're going to be asking some of you guys some hair questions and giving out some Christmas hair care goodies. Hi guys, my name's Chloe. What's your names?
Stella.
Mia.
Veronica.
Denisa.
Mia.
What's your name?
Amy.
Lauren.
Joe.
I'm Eva. I'm Sophie. Emily.
Libby.
Victoria.
Jen.
Lisa.
Hetty. Maisie.
So you're up for answering some hair questions and maybe getting a little hair care goodie today?
Yeah, that's so exciting.
Afterwards, when I'm done with the questions, I'll just ask you to reach in that bag. You can grab anything you want and then you've got the option to swap it if you kind of feel like that's maybe not suited for you. So first question is, what has been your personal go-to hairstyle this year?
Straight. Tend to be someone with my hair up, usually probably like a bun like this because my hair's quite long, so.
This, which doesn't look very good at the moment, but I just use a single tong. It's really easy. I can chuck it up if I want to.
Yeah.
Love it. Do it all the time.
This, a bun or like just one French plait.
Nice.
Always wear it up.
Literally just slicking it back when it's wet, which someone said, oh, you shouldn't do that because your hair will break off, but the way I justify is I put a thick mask in there.
Probably like the messy ponytail, just like a few bits coming out.
As of the last year, it's been about natural.
Nice.
Like totally down the natural route.
Everything back.
Sleek.
With stick bun. Yes. Well, slick ponytail with braid.
It's the low pony, really. Nice and easy, yeah.
I usually just leave it down, or sometimes do it up in a ponytail.
I use that, you know the heatless curls thing? Where you put it in the wrap. That's what I did today.
Has there been any favourite celebrity hairstyles that you've loved in particular this year?
I do really like Hailey Bieber's slick back bun. I really like that one. It's so nice. She looks just really like clean and like really nice.
I really like Ariana Grande's new hair colour.
Bella Hadid, probably, yeah.
Personally, I'm not like a celeb hairy person.
Yeah.
So, no, I just do my own thing. Yeah.
Oh, that's hard.
Hailey Bieber's hair.
Yes. We've had her a couple of times today,
Madison Bear.
Yes.
Yeah, I love her before.
Okay.
I'd say actually more just other people on social media, like people like yourself, like more influencers rather than celebs really.
Yeah.
If I had had Instagram when I was a little girl, oh my God. Because when I was a little girl, I had no idea. I literally, you wouldn't have stopped me about my hair when I was a little girl. It was just literally like mental.
Anything kind of hair care wise that you've learned this year? So any hair care tips or anything about your own hair that you've learned?
To not hold on to the dead end.
That's a big one. That is a big one.
Healthy looking hair is better.
Put my hair oil on my damp hair so it's like doesn't make it so greasy.
To wash it consistently every 2 to 3 days and not wash it like one day and then like 5 days after. It needs a routine.
Yeah, it needs routine and it's a complete rumour when people say you can train your hair into not washing it.
I use hair oil now for my hair because I lost all my hair.
I literally had my hair cut last week and my hairdresser was brutal. He goes, we don't like rat tails. So he was like, we're going to take about this much off. I was like, okay.
My hair's definitely better like because it's quite curly, like washing it and then straight after that then putting oil in, like loads of oil on it, it's really frizzy.
I used to always have it like really scraped back, obsessed about how perfect my curls were and just a lot of natural products, not as many chemicals as I used to use. So I spend a lot of time in India, so I get a lot of oils from
But they're the best
India.
oils, you know. They're
like,
really
honestly,
good.
it stinks. It's not like a nice smell, but
it's great for the hair.
Literally, in the last year, I'd say the growth that my hair's had.
Have you made any hair faux pas this year? So anything maybe that you regret with your own hair?
Cutting bangs.
Yeah.
It's not the look for me.
Cutting layers. It was awful. It was really bad.
I probably regret not having it cut sooner because I need to get it styled again because it just looks a little bit wild, I suppose, at the moment.
I did straighten my hair one time and I had a big chunk just like come out when I kept on too long, got chatting, and then I was like,
I think too much heat on my hair.
Maybe straighten a bit less. I've got super glue in my hair, which was not very good, so that had to be cut out.
How did that happen?
I was mending some shoes and it just went, I didn't.
Have you asked Santa for any hair care gifts this year?
Yes, I have. I've asked for the whey shampoo, I think it's medium hair whey shampoo. So I'm ready.
That is a nice one.
I want to get rosemary oil. No, but maybe I should. Because I am running out, so I'm going to add it to my list.
And I feel like hair care isn't something a lot of girls buy themselves for some reason.
It's expensive. It's worth it. It's one of those things you really don't want to spend the money on, but it's so worthwhile when you do.
purple shampoo.
Olaplex stuff.
You know the slip hair bands?
Yes,
Yeah, I've asked those.
The diffuser on the Shark
it looks
hairdryer is unreal, like transformative for curly hair.
I do want to get the Eco Gel because I want to do more slick backs.
Nice.
Sol de Janeiro, like hair thing. Yeah, that one.
And would you like a little hair care gift today?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Love one.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, please. Yes.
So I'm going to get you to close your eyes. You're going to reach into the bag, so you're not going to see what it is. And you have got an option just to swap the product once. If you kind of think maybe it's not for you can swap it for something else, okay? Okay, so... Oh, she had a little peek.
No, I'm not peeking.
No peeking.
Oh my god, there's some big stuff in there.
Oh, she got that. That's the K18 leave-in hair mask. That is so
I'll
good.
keep this one.
That is the Matrix Colour Conditioner. If you pick that one, I have got the matching shampoo as well.
I'm going to keep this because I really need a conditioner.
Perfect. That is the Osmo Shine Spray. What's that one? Oh, okay, that's the Osis Medium Hold Hairspray. I love that hairspray. It's not too heavy, it's not too sticky. Just a really nice lightweight one. Okay, amazing, you're welcome. Oh, she's got a hair mask.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, she's got some Olaplex shampoo. You happy with that one or you want to swap?
I want to swap.
Okay, go for it.
Why not?
Oh, that's a really good one. So that is the K18 Detox Shampoo. Ready? Close your eyes.
Yeah. I don't know what that is. I can't.
Oh, she's scared.
I'm scared.
Ooh, oh, she's got the Olaplex shampoo.
I'm gonna stick.
Yeah. Oh, so this is a good one. This is a leave-in heat protective spray, like really conditioning and nourishing, repairing.
I think it's really perfect for my hair.
I think so. So really good for like nourishing your hair. You can use that on every single hair wash as well. Oh, we'll go for the box. Go for the box. Go on.
Oh, that was colour wow.
Oh,
The only reason I wouldn't keep it, I've got a Dyson Airwrap.
size isn't always everything.
No rush. I'll swap.
Swap.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
I'm picking up something big.
Look at she. Oh, she got the big one. That is the GHD Platinum Plus, the new Christmas one.
For that one.
Oh, she's got the colour wow. She's got the colour wow. So that is like the volumizing mousse. So it's really good. So you need to blow dry it in, put it into damp hair, blow dry it in. Really good for like bouncy, voluminous hair. So there you go. You can continue straightening your hair. You can wave, you can curl. And maybe you can lend some of your hairspray. Go for that. See what you think. So you can see the air comes out there, but it's actually got that tongue feature.
Okay.
So I guess you can wrap round like a wand, or then you can use that as.
Yeah.
But yeah, you obviously use it on.
I'm going to go
damp
for this for
hair.
my sister. Amazing.
Thank you.
I was just going to say, Christmas present sorted, but no, I won't get away with that, especially if she sees this.
Yeah. Swap.
Come on. Okay.
She's looking.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a really good one. You'll like that if you've not used that one before. So this is the Matrix Miracle Creator. It's like heat protection, leave-in treatment. Put it into damp hair. You can literally it like detangles, conditions. Oh, that is a really good one. So that's the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. You put that into damp hair.
Okay.
It like repairs any split ends. Oh, another hair mask.
That's okay.
Okay, hair mask besties. You can put your hair masks in together and then have a nice chilled evening.
I'll take it.
Hairbrush.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And enjoy the rest of your day in London, girls.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks for stopping.
All right, have a nice day.
See you. Bye. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much. What are you doing in London today?
Just going shopping.
Shopping, yeah. Okay. Thank you. So nice to meet you, and thank you for being part of this. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. So yeah, thanks girls. Thanks for taking part, and have a good rest of your day in London today.
Thank you so much.
And happy birthday.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Yes,
Thank you.